Hello, we need to appreciate nature, God's animals, God's animals. They're so beautiful. I just stopped here at the park to eat my dinner and I just saw these animals and just wanted to record them for a second just to say thank you, Lord, and appreciate these animals. Just to appreciate what God created. Everything that God creates is good. It's good. And God makes sure the animals get fed well. And He takes care of them. And so as He has fed the animals, so shall He feed us. Just keep the faith and know that all things are possible to them that believe and hold on to faith. For we walk by faith and not by sight. Have a blessed day. Bye-bye.